The 3 Degrees. The story of the 3 Degrees began in the heart of Philadelphia, where young vocalists with big dreams came together through local talent shows and neighborhood performances. Their determination and unity helped them evolve from local favorites into an internationally celebrated trio, laying the foundation for a legacy of soulful sophistication that still shines today. Sheila Ferguson is an American singer, songwriter, actress, and author, best known as the lead vocalist of the 1970s soul music group, The 3 Degrees. After leaving The 3 Degrees to focus on motherhood, Ferguson pursued a solo career, releasing an album titled A New Kind of Medicine. Ferguson married property businessman Chris Robinson in 1980, and they had twin daughters before divorcing in 2004. She has a long history of advocacy for artists' rights and is a lifetime Guardian member of phonographic performance. Fayette Pinckney was a founding member of the 3 Degrees in Philadelphia in 1963 when she was a teenager. Highlights of her time with the group include singing on major hits like When Will I See You Again? Pinckney also appeared with the group in the film The French Connection and on the show Sanford and Son. She left the 3 Degrees in 1976. That was a fun time for all the girls in the group. It was a highlight for them. After leaving the group, Pinckney recorded a solo album, 1 Degree, and then focused on education and social work. She worked as a counselor and vocal coach and continued singing in her church choir and a traveling group. Fayette Pinckney passed away on June 27, 2009, at age 61 due to acute respiratory failure. Valerie Holiday is a renowned American vocalist and the longest-serving member of the iconic female group, The 3 Degrees. She joined the group in 1967 and has been a constant presence for over 50 years. Holiday's continuous service in the group is among the longest-running female vocal groups. Valerie Holiday has also pursued a solo career, releasing an album titled In Bloom in 2021 featuring classic soul and jazz songs. She has performed for royalty, appeared on major TV specials, and continues to tour worldwide with the 3 Degrees. As of today, November 16, 2025, she is alive and continues to perform and tour with the group. The 3 Degrees are one of the longest-running female vocal groups in history, continuously performing for over 6 decades despite many personnel changes. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.